Welcome everyone. My name is Sandra. I am the owner here at Midwest Charm, and today I have a thrift haul for you. So let's see, some of this is from Facebook Marketplace, but for the majority of it, Katie actually went and did our picking this week. So required a FaceTime and a couple phone calls, but we got some good stuff, so I just wanted to share it with you. I'm going to show you our Facebook Marketplace find first, and this is, it's got kitchen fuzz on it, so this definitely needs washed, but this, I think we're going to hang on the wall and maybe put our stocking caps in this for a display. I thought it was super cute. I'll put a price tag on it too. We usually do. In fact, we sold our last, I think, 2 hat displays. So this will be our third, and it's currently in like standing baskets right now. We've got this beautiful white chicken. She is not going to have anything done to her. Just wiped down and priced and put out. We focused mainly on holiday decor for this haul and early New Year. And by that, usually for early New Year, we are into picking up organizational stuff or just really clean, white, everyday decor. So chickens sell really, really well in our area, so that's always a grab, always. Let's see, she found this star, which is huge. I love it. It's got a few spots that might need tacked back down with some hot glue, but it's got like bark and string in there. It's really cute. And oh, these were a find I did. We did like a little shop hop in one of the neighboring towns, and I found 3 of these spools that have thread on it. We have this blue, darker blue, and where's my last one? The green. These will all just go right out as well. They're falling. All right, let me move that bag over there. Oh, these were a really cool find. So these have iridescent color glaze lining. It will not chip or stain under ordinary use. From Reed and Barton. There's a whole slew of information on this. Trying to read what else it says. Silver plated. So it's a set of 4 bowls, but we grabbed these because they are red and green, and these will be perfect to put out right now and fill them with all sorts of fun stuff. I will probably sell those individually and not as a set. This is from a previous haul, and it's just a cake stand, and it's clear glass. I loved the edge on this, so this will be used as a riser for the time being, but it's very pretty, and I like it's nice, heavy. I picked up this Perpetual Calendar. These always sell super duper duper well for us. These are metal tags, and I just thought it was cute. It kind of needs a little bit of bending back, but that will go out, and that'll go out for the New Year stuff. And then a basket. It's just a nice heavy duty wire one. It almost looks like barbed wire around the top edge, but it is not. Just a nice simple round basket. And let's see. The rest of this is all stuff that Katie picked up yesterday. And this is a nice metal rue. These usually do really well. We usually stick these guys like this into our window, and they usually sell super fast. And I'm not doing anything to him. He's going out as is. And same with this paper mache Santa. Again, paper mache Santas do really well for us. No matter what size they are. He will go out as is. I'm thinking he might go in the window with our other paper mache Santa that we have out there right now. And those wreath, she showed me a couple wreaths while she was there last night, and I tend to be a bit on the pickier side with these. We have to have enough room to flip them, and that's probably main, but I also have to really like them. And while these are plastic, it is still super duper duper cute. And I am wondering, based on the wreath, if this might be a vintage one. I love it. So that will go out right away, and I'm not doing anything to it. And same with this guy. He needs batteries though. So I paid up a little bit for him because if he doesn't sell, he's coming to my house. He is adorable. He needs, I don't think he has batteries in him right now, but the little lights on his wreath light up. He just cutie. So he will go out as is. We've got, oh, these were cute. I didn't even, she grabbed these and didn't even ask approval because she knows. So this is just a set of decorative measuring cups, and these ones are little gnomes. And these are another thing that sell really well for us year round. We tend to grab these whenever we can find them. We've done, oh, lemons and birds and owls and, I mean, gingerbread men. What else have we done, Katie? We've done a lot of them. A lot. So these guys will go out as is. And they're just, there's some styrofoam in them, but they're super cute. All right. And then these are just some big galvanized and copper salt and pepper shakers, and we have sold similar ones to these, so she knew these sold really well and just automatically grabbed those. It was a no-brainer. And again, we're kind of leaning towards the new year, and we tend to do a lot more greenery and bring that green aspect in. We are in the Midwest, so you know, those winters and snow. So we are also gonna put this out with the new year coming up. I believe it works. I haven't tried it with water, but it's super cute. And Ray Dunn still sells for us really well, actually. We bought, oh gosh, so many mugs around Halloween, and I thought we had grabbed them too late, and no, they all sold. I think all of them did. Katie's nodding yes in the other room. She's packing away our Thanksgiving and our Halloween today, which is a little on the sad side. All right, so this was one of their bags, and it has 3 little metal stars that are little wall pockets. I'm actually gonna put these out now, and I think we're gonna see if we can find some little evergreen sprigs to stick in these, and maybe some little berries, pit berries or something, but we do have 3 of those. I thought these were really super cute. And those can be an all year round type thing. And, oh, this was a find she knew. Just looking at it that this was something, and I have not researched this yet, so I will do that, but it's a Raggedy Ann and Andy milk glass mug, and it's in really good condition. It needs cleaned up, but there's like some tape on it right here and on the bottom. I do believe this is, I think, Fire King, right? Federal, maybe Federal, I can't see. Tag's stuck on it pretty good. But that will get washed up and then put out. And this, I haven't decided if I'm keeping this, guys, or if this is going in here. It's from Caribou Coffee, one of our local coffee places. But it's got little moose and Christmas trees all over it. And the dark green background is amazing. It kind of looks like enamelware. It's super cute. I love it. Let's see. We're getting down there, guys. Another vintage Santa. I love this. Love vintage Santas. I'm a sucker for them. This one is from Enesco, and it is also a music box. I'm trying to peel this tag off of the Enesco stickers. I don't know if it's going to work. Yes, isn't that cute? So he will go out as is. And last in the box are 2 teapots. I'm not sure what you would call these, but they are Otajiri. We've got 2 of them. So we have this one, and we have this one. So these, I'm going to do some research on these. I have done really well with Otajiri. Last time when we had the cow creamer, I'm pretty sure we did a video on that set. We didn't even put it out on the floor, and it sold. Somebody had seen a picture or else the video, and that's how we sold it. So we didn't have to do anything else. And then last, Katie was not sure if this was a garland or if it was just some vintage ornaments. So we are about to find out. Another one of their bags. And, oh, they're ornaments. These are made in Taiwan. Wow, they're weird feeling. So we've got some Santas. Is he broken? Does that look broken? Is he missing an arm? I guess we'll find out. Nope, they all look like that. They're all a little different. Oh my gosh, they're cute. I will probably sell these as a set. They're really cute. There's a little teddy bear. Oh, there's 2 more teddy bears. So we've got 3 teddy bears, 1 rocking horse, and then 4 Santas. So that is our haul for this week. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and we'll see you guys all next time. Bye.